Change, it's the one constant in our universe. From the birth of stars to the evolution of life, everything is in a perpetual state of flux. For too long we've reacted to change, scrambling to keep up. Advanced change engineering flips the script. We become architects of change, not victims. This isn't just about adapting, it's about proactively shaping the future we want. Imagine harnessing the forces of change, bending them to your will. That's the promise of advanced change engineering. New era of possibility. Think of it like this. The universe is a dance floor and change is the music. And we've been stumbling around, stepping on toes. Advanced change engineering gives us the rhythm, the steps, the confidence to lead. It's about understanding the underlying principles of change, the invisible forces that shape our world. This knowledge empowers us to navigate the chaotic dance of existence with grace and purpose. Imagine a sculptor molding clay with deft hands. Advanced change engineering empowers us to become sculptors of our own reality. Using change state manipulation, it's about identifying the current state of a system, envisioning the desired state, and then crafting a series of interventions to bridge the gap. Think of a company stuck in outdated practices. Sales are stagnant, morale is low, and the competition is pulling ahead. This is a system trapped in a negative change state. Now imagine that same company embracing a new software platform. They implement agile methodologies, fostering collaboration and innovation. Employee training programs are launched, boosting skills and morale. The result? A shift from a negative to a positive change state. Sales climb, innovation flourishes, and the company thrives in the new landscape. This transformation wasn't accidental, it was sculpted through strategic change state manipulation. Our brains are intricate webs of neurons, firing in concert to create thoughts, emotions, and actions. Neural change networks operate on a similar principle, but instead of neurons, we're talking about interconnected individuals or groups within an organization or society. Imagine a financial institution grappling with the rise of fintech startups. Traditional banking models are being disrupted, customer expectations are shifting, and the institution risks becoming obsolete. Enter neural change networks. By fostering open communication channels between departments, the institution breaks down silos. Data analysts collaborate with marketers to personalize customer experiences. Software developers work hand in hand with customer service representatives to create intuitive online banking platforms. This interconnected approach allows the institution to adapt quickly to market changes, innovate rapidly, and thrive in the face of disruption. The key is understanding the flow of information, resources, and ideas within the network and optimizing it for agility and responsiveness. Nature has an unparalleled ability to adapt and evolve. Biodigital adaptation takes inspiration from nature, merging biological principles with digital technologies to drive rapid and effective change. Consider a healthcare network striving to improve patient care while reducing costs. The traditional model, reliant on reactive treatments and fragmented communication, is struggling to keep pace. By embracing biodigital adaptation, the network undergoes a radical transformation. Wearable sensors continuously monitor patient health, providing real-time data to healthcare providers. This allows for proactive interventions, preventing complications and reducing the need for costly hospitalizations. Artificial intelligence algorithms analyze patient data, identifying patterns and predicting potential health risks. The result is a healthcare system that's not only more efficient and cost-effective, but also proactive, personalized, and truly focused on patient well-being. Section 5. Invisible forces. Shaping outcomes with change field manipulation. Think of a magnetic field, an invisible force that influences the movement of metal objects. Change field manipulation operates on a similar principle, acknowledging the unseen forces that influence human behavior and organizational dynamics. Imagine a retail chain struggling to adapt to the rise of e-commerce. Foot traffic is dwindling, online sales are lagging, and the brand feels outdated. By understanding the underlying change fields at play, shifting consumer preferences, technological advancements, and competitive pressures, the retail chain can begin to manipulate them to its advantage. They might invest in creating immersive in-store experiences that complement their online presence. They could launch targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with the values of their target audience. By strategically aligning their actions with the prevailing change fields, the retail chain can navigate the turbulent waters of change and emerge stronger on the other side. Section 6. Quantum leaps. Riding the wave of change resonance. In the quantum realm, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, defying classical physics. Change resonance taps into this concept, recognizing that within any system, there are multiple potential futures vying for realization. Imagine a technology company seeking to develop a groundbreaking new product. Traditional research and development processes are slow and often incremental. By embracing change resonance, the company creates an environment where radical ideas can flourish. They assemble diverse teams with a mix of expertise and perspectives. They encourage experimentation and risk-taking, fostering a culture where failure is seen as a learning opportunity. This creates a fertile ground for quantum leaps in innovation, allowing the company to tap into unforeseen possibilities and accelerate the realization of their desired future. Section 7. The Architect of Transformation, Meta Change and Predictive Power. Imagine an architect meticulously planning every detail of a skyscraper before a single brick is laid. Meta change architecture operates on a similar principle, providing a blueprint for managing change at a higher level. It's about anticipating future trends, identifying potential disruptions, and designing flexible systems that can adapt to whatever the future throws our way. This involves creating a dynamic feedback loop, constantly monitoring the environment for signals of change and adjusting the meta change architecture accordingly. The true power of meta change architecture lies in its predictive capabilities. By analyzing historical data, tracking emerging trends, and simulating various scenarios, organizations can anticipate potential disruptions and proactively adapt their strategies. Imagine a global pandemic disrupting supply chains and shifting consumer behavior. Organizations with robust meta change architectures are better equipped to weather the storm, pivoting their operations and adapting to the new normal. Section 8. Mastering the chaos. navigating change entropy. Entropy, in the realm of physics, refers to the tendency of systems to move towards disorder. Change entropy operates on a similar principle, acknowledging that change itself can introduce chaos and uncertainty into a system. Without proper management, change entropy can lead to resistance, confusion, and ultimately derail the entire change initiative. Mastering change entropy is about establishing clear communication channels, providing adequate training and support, and fostering a culture that embraces change. This involves acknowledging and addressing fears, providing clear explanations for the change, and actively involving stakeholders in the process. By proactively managing change entropy, organizations can minimize resistance, maximize buy-in, and ensure that change initiatives are implemented smoothly and effectively. Think of it as navigating a turbulent river. By understanding the currents, anticipating rapids, and steering with skill, we can navigate the choppy waters of change and emerge stronger on the other side.